Welcome. In front of me is a MAZE Comet, and today I will show you how to access the factory mode on the device. So to start off, you will need to actually shut off the device, so hold power key and select power off once visible and confirm it. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will hold power key and volume down. So right about now, power key, volume down. And once you see the logo, you can let go of the keys. So now let's wait for the factory mode to show up. And from here we will use only volume down to navigate. Volume up won't really do anything. So just to show you, volume down will go down, but up will not go up. So I want to go through the list basically all the way through. And basically the first two options are some kind of tests that you can run. The first one will be the automatic one. The second one will be manual, where you will get to choose what kind of test you want to run. And then probably the more notable one would be from the options right here, clear EMMC, which will do a hard reset of the device. And the last option would be a reboot, which I'm going to use right now. So by selecting and then tapping power key, I will now reboot the device. So let's wait for the device to actually boot back up into the normal Android. Okay, as you can see, we're now out of the mode. So that's basically how you access factory mode and also leave it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.